I do want to say, you know, when I first was elected governor, I had some doubts about this project. And Lynn, you helped push, Lynn Shank, but also my wife Ann, who used to be a Republican. And when she said, no, you got to take this money and you got to build, the fact that she was a Republican gave me a lot of confidence. Because I wasn't quite sure where the hell we're going to get the rest of the money. But don't worry about it. We're going to get it. We're going to get it.